Welcome dear students. Today we'll learn about rocks and rock types. Observe the pictures in figure 7.1 from your textbook and answer the following questions. From the hills, riverbeds or the land in your vicinity, collect rock specimens of different types, shapes, colors, etc. Observe the rock specimens and note down the following. Here it is given in the textbook. So what you will do is look at the pictures on the screen and try to note down the information which you understand looking at the pictures. Place where the rock was found, color of the rock, spots on the rock and their color, weight of the rock, hardness of the rock, structure of the rock, porosity of the rock. All these information you can get it from the Google. We have seen last year that the Earth's crust is hard. It is made of rocks and soil. Rocks are found on land surface and also below it. Rocks are a mixture of different minerals formed by natural processes in the lithosphere. The properties of rocks depend on the constituent minerals and their proportion, as well as on the formation process. Silica, aluminium, magnesium, and iron are the major rock formation minerals. There are other minerals too in different rocks. Types of rocks. There are three types of rocks according to their formation process: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks. The interior of the earth has very high temperature. As a result, the material in this part is in the molten state. Sometimes this material gets released through the fissures in the crust. This is called a volcano. Lava, gases, dust, ashes, etc. are thrown out during volcanic eruptions. Igneous rocks. When the molten material, known as magma, within the crust and lava on the surface cools down, it solidifies, giving rise to rocks. These are known as igneous rocks. As these rocks are formed out of material from the interior of the earth, these are also referred to as primary rocks. Mostly, these rocks appear hard and homogeneous. These are heavy as well. We do not get fossils in these rocks. The Maharashtra Plateau and the Sahyadris are formed out of igneous rocks. Basalt is a major example of igneous rock. Refer to figure 7.5 from the text. Most of the hill forts in Maharashtra have lakes or elephant yards. Actually, these are old quarry sites. Rock was extracted from these sites and used for the construction of the fort and other buildings. In the pits and dugouts left behind after rock extraction, water was allowed to accumulate and these lakes, tanks, etc. were created. Pumice is an example of igneous rock. This is formed out of volcanic froth. It is a porous rock. As its density is quite low, it can float on water. What rock was used for building the forts in Maharashtra? Why? Please get the information from the Google site and write few lines on it. Thank you.